What's up guys, my name's Hayden and I'm back with another pack opening. I'm going to be doing a silver pack opening, and this is my first ever silver pack opening. The only reason I'm doing this is to get this guy, Yassine Chikhaoui. He's got 5-star weak foot, 5-star skill moves, and he's got pretty good stats. It's not all that, but it's alright. I'm only trying to get him because of his price. Currently going for 3 million coins. So let's head to the store and try getting this guy. Gonna be opening around 200, 250. Depends how I feel about these packs. So first pack, get this guy. Oh, probably go for a bit. No, don't know much silver players, so let's just list them up. Might go for a bit. It's FC Porto as well, so yep. Keep this. Second pack. Skip. Who do we get? Not a rare, nothing. Get a player training, and we get all injuries. Wow. If I do get this guy, I'll probably play with him for a bit. Oh, I might even do a play review and then probably sell him something. Oh, left wing. Oh, 5-star weak foot. Not bad. Oh yeah, I remember him from FIFA 13. Let's him up. Yes, and the rest is bullshit. Gonna get that a lot in these silver packs. There's nothing much left now. The team of the seasons are gone. I don't think you can get legends out of packs anymore. I think you can, I'm not sure. There's you can't get the team of the weeks now are terrible, and this badge is and there's no team of the years. There's nothing left really. I'm gonna wait till the season starts again. Yep. Bullshit. So everyone's really waiting for FIFA 15 to come out and play that. Pogba. Oh, we get a Pogba. Fake one. Fake Pogba. How do you say his name? Alexander Jagetto. No, that looks like T on his name, and on his face card looks like L. Fuck. Jagilla. Wow. Ah, getting 92 paste. French guy. Probably doesn't go for much. If it was FIFA 13 then he would have. But doubt it now. Navas. Oh, he had a team of season, didn't he? Oh no, Inform. He had one of them. Blasio. Blasio. Probably goes for a bit. Let's just list him. And yeah guys, I will be doing a climate review. It'll be up about tomorrow or in about 2 days time. Not sure yet, but we'll definitely do it. Definitely. Oh, I remember this guy from FIFA 13 years of rare. No, he's not. 2 attributes card. Wow. Nice. Oh, we got a gold card. Positioning. It's my first ever getting a gold card in silver pack. Not bad. Yeah, I remember this guy. He's playing for Germany in the final. These packs have been so shit out of all of the players of Team of the Week. I haven't even got one inform. Not even one. So guys, I'm coming to my final pack. So let's see if we get on a final pack. These packs haven't really been good. They have been boring, actually. Malunga. He's not bad actually. Let's list him up. And yep. Right guys, we've got one more pack to open. I've got a free pack out of the silver pack. So let's see who we get. Come on. Not gonna skip this. Nothing. Didn't get one inform, or at least a player that went over at least 10k. Nothing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this pack opening, and please check out my previous videos, and thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't, and I hope you guys have a great day. See ya.